Hello guys, in this video I like to present you another effect from a shift tutorials, this stylized tornado. Uh, First I like to start with that for this tornado we use geometry from the Maya. It's very simple geometry. I will show you right now in just a second. Yes, so here we have this geometry. As you can see, it's really simple wireframe, really simple geometry, nothing complex. Uh, it's uh, it's important to know that for this geometry we need a specific UV map. I will show you UV channel. We need this kind of UV map. In Maya we need only to double click on the UV set, and with the shift right mouse button we need to select normalize. So we need to have this normalized UV map for our geometry. We can use cone geometry or some kind of vortex if we want the shape to be like a vortex or like the arrow or some kind of projectile. I mean that if we use this as a cone, if this is a cone, if we look from here and if we reverse normal of the object, if we look from here, we will have very nice uh, vortex geometry or something like this. Even we have used this for the portal, for the magical portal. I think that you understand what I mean. So we have this geometry. We put the geometry in Niagara here. In Niagara we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 working layers. This one, just a second. I'm sorry. So we have this working. I will actually delete these two because we don't use it. We have this 5 layer. In the first one we have the geometry with the material. Second one is a particle of the tornado. It's also based on the same mesh. Actually, all layer. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There was some noise around me, so I need to cancel for a moment. And yes, we use the same geometry in every layer. Expect this too. Let me show you. This is the tornado particle. These two layers use different geometry. I will show you. This is a sample cylinder, just a cylinder, as you can see, without caps, upper and lower caps, but it's just a cylinder with the same normalized UV map as the tornado shape. And we have this part in the upper end of the tornado and this one in the lower end of the tornado, and we have this magical black tornado effects in the end. This is our Niagara system. I use for this tornado, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 materials. This is the first one. First one is for the center of our tornado. We use these two colors. We use Fresnel function to have in the middle you will see this mask in the middle, and we use as usual the noise map for this effect. And in the end we will use this map to control this I call this fake ambient occlusion. It's maybe more like a noise bump or something like this. I will show you right now. We will have this come on, okay, yes, we have this material. Let me remember the name. I always forgot this material parameter collection. Material parameter collection. So we have here in the folder of the Tornado this material parameter collection, and from here we can, let me show you. Just a second to activate Niagara system. Niagara. Okay, so yes, as you can see, we have this tornado now. Some things go wrong. I'm not sure what is this. I need to check it. Okay, this is some kind of bug, I suppose. So here in material parameter collection we have these two parameters. One of them is hue. It's control the color of the color scheme of our tornado, and the other one is no noise overlapping. If we give here a bigger value, we clear this fake ambient occlusion and we have a more stylized effect. If we like to use this noise overlap, we with the smallest number we can multiply the base color with this noise map. Here you will see again something wrong. This I need to make investigation for this kind of bug. Sometimes happen, sometimes no. But I like to show you how the hue parameter work. If we have, for example, 1, this is the basic color of our material, as you can see here. This is the 2 base color, flat color. We control it from here. This is our hue parameter that we control from here. This here is this one. So and now, as you can see, from here I can, with 1.1, I will have this. This is very annoying bug. I don't like it. This needs to be investigated, of course. So I have this color, and with if we change the number with some float, I mean that if we put here 2, the effect will remains the same, 4 the same, 6 the same, but 8 the same. But if we use a flat number 0.1, we have change 0.2, we change the color 0.5. Anytime we will change the color of the hue. So here we can make we can add this oh, what is this? What's happened? I need to check it now. it's not here. This one. I will investigate this later and we will have a solution for this. I can understand right now what's going on. But okay, let's explain more. So I hope that you understand these two material function that we use. Now I will talk about the material itself. Actually, we use only one material with different variables for this material, which is material for or particle. Just a second, for this particle we use this material and Tornado 002, as you can see, and we also have this material for the wind, turbulent wind on the cylinder, on our cylinder, and this one for the black magical parts of our particle of the tornado. As you can see, almost in any material we have dynamic parameters which can be used here in the Niagara system to make some animation and some variation. As you can see here in this dynamic parameter for this particle of the tornado, we have random tile and random erode, but here in let me see, yes, I have no dynamic parameter here. Where is another one? In this material parameter, for the black particle, I have no random, I have uniform that I control, and we can control all aspects of our materials. Let me show. We can make this more thickness for this, more erode if we like. Okay, and also we can make the noise map that I use for this effect. We can tile it low, tileable for these big shapes, or high tileable for lower shapes. So also I think that I can yes, with this node I can control rotating speed of any of this layer. Right now the main shape rotating with the speed of 0.7. I think that is the same for this particle. No, this particle is faster. This one is, let me check something. 0.2. I can understand. Okay. Yes, we can change direction, speed of rotation from here. Also in this part I have this node scale mesh size, which give also I add a little bit of velocity to this part to have movement downside here and upside here. This movement comes from this velocity, which use random range vector, and I have this mesh orientation, and I can give the direction of rotation from here. Now is 0, 1 in the left, 1 I hope will be no, 0, 1, 1, no. Another strange thing. I will check this later. 0.7. Oh no, I changed this one. So okay, I need to change this. Update mesh orientation. So if I give here not -1 but 1, as you can see, we change direction of the rotation of this object. For now, I think that 0, 1, -1 is good because of the shape of our geometry, which is twisted in this direction. Also, what can I show that is important? This, no. I think that's all for this effect. Yes. And yes, but this is very ugly bug. I will find solution because as you can see, maybe something with the particle spawn or particle life. I will check this, but as you can see, sometimes there is changes that is not wanted. But yes, this is our tornado effect. Maybe I need to work a little bit more to fix all bugs, but I hope you will like the effect and the possibilities that gives us these two parameters. Hue that can change and this effect. Let me show you something here. If I turn off all other layers and use only this one, I have this wrong direction. And now to see in the better way how works this, I will show you. This is with the big value. As you can see, this is a flat color without any noise normal, any noise bump. But if we give the value under the 5, I can see maybe 3, we start to adding noise bump map over our material. Here is really bumpy because it looks like ambient occlusion. For me, I call it fake ambient occlusion. We can make it more and more, and as you see, now we have almost 3D vortex, not stylized one. But if I change, if we need to have stylized colors, we just give to here a big value, and now we have a clear stylized material. I hope you like my video about this beautiful effect, and we'll wait for your feedback. Have a nice day, guys.